Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of high-tech gadgets designed for professionals in construction, industry, and beyond. From futuristic exoskeletons to innovative safety gear, these gadgets aren't just cool, they're essential for increasing efficiency, improving safety, and making tough jobs a little easier. Let's explore the top devices that are changing the game. Skylotech XX. Working at great heights, whether it's on wind turbines or power lines, is no easy task. Picture this, after just 12 climbs, you'd have scaled the height of the Eiffel Tower. That's a lot of effort and time. But the Skylotech ACX winch changes the game by eliminating the need for constant climbing. With an impressive speed of 24 meters per minute, this electric winch can haul a 100 kilogram load with ease. It operates for 200 minutes on a single charge and is remote controlled from up to 150 meters away, which means you can manage your operations efficiently from a safe distance. It's priced at $15,500, and while that might seem steep, consider the long-term savings in time, safety, and manpower. This gadget is particularly ideal for industries where a shortage of skilled labor means fewer people are available for these risky, repetitive tasks. Investing in a device like this could be a major boost for companies tackling high-altitude maintenance and repair jobs. Trimble XR10. Microsoft has always been at the cutting edge of technology, and the Trimble XR10 is no exception. This innovative device is built off the backbone of Microsoft's HoloLens mixed reality platform, specifically tailored for construction and industrial environments. The XR10 is more than just a headset, it's a game changer for professionals working in dusty, noisy conditions. The headset features high-resolution 2K displays, providing crystal clear visuals even in challenging settings. Its noise-canceling capabilities are so powerful that it can function flawlessly in environments with up to 115 decibels of background noise, equivalent to the noise produced by a sandblaster. One of its standout features is its ability to accommodate regular glasses, so users don't have to sacrifice comfort for performance. However, the device is on the heavier side at 1.2 kilograms, which might pose an issue for long periods of use. Nevertheless, its rugged design and customization options make it perfect for harsh industrial work environments. EksoZeroG with work-related injuries costing the US a staggering $21 billion every year, and 20% of construction workers suffering from chronic pain. It's clear that something needs to change. Enter the EksoZeroG, a revolutionary robotic arm designed to make heavy lifting a breeze. This exoskeleton device can lift tools and loads weighing up to 16 kilograms, drastically reducing strain on workers. Whether it's used for impact wrenches, pneumatic hammers, or riveters, this robotic arm makes tool handling practically effortless. Workers can attach the EksoZeroG to a scissor lift or scaffold in under a minute, transforming how they approach strenuous tasks. Beyond making the job easier, this robotic arm improves worker morale by easing physical strain, leading to fewer injuries and higher productivity. It's a win-win solution for industries looking to improve both safety and efficiency. HP SitePrint. When you think of HP, you probably picture printers and computers, but they're making waves in the construction industry with the HP SitePrint. This compact mobile robot is designed to transfer digital layouts directly onto construction floors 10 times faster than manual methods. With its ability to work on various surfaces, including concrete, plywood, vinyl, and even uneven epoxy, this robot is a huge time saver. It can handle obstacles up to 20 millimeters high and doesn't need a perfectly clean surface to function. HP SitePrint is fully integrated with CAD systems, using DXF files to ensure precise layout transfers. Thanks to cloud technology, it can be remotely operated, and multiple robots can work in sync on large-scale projects. Having already been tested in over 80 projects worldwide, the HP SitePrint is proving to be a valuable tool in places like the US, UK, Canada, and Ireland, saving construction companies both time and money. TeraTrak R1. The TeraTrak R1 stands as the first ever mapping tool built specifically for horizontal directional drilling. It's more than just a tool, it's a highly advanced system for creating precise layouts in complex environments. One of its standout features is its ability to function without GPS, making it reliable even in areas with poor signal coverage. The mobile app that comes with the device gives users real-time data on slopes, obstacles, waypoints, and nearby utilities. Plus, it's built to last. last, with a rugged design that can withstand 10 years of tough usage. The TeraTrak R1 also offers an impressive battery life of 40 hours, making it perfect for long-term projects. Despite weighing just 6 kilograms, it packs a powerful punch, helping workers maintain a level of accuracy within 15 centimeters across a distance of over 150 meters. Illumagear 6th Sense plus Halo SL safety is a top priority for any electrician, and the Illumagear 6th Sense voltage detector takes this seriously. Weighing just 20 grams, this ultra-lightweight detector can run for 74 hours on a single charge, covering a voltage range from 120 volts to a staggering 550 kilovolts. Priced at $250, it's an essential tool for anyone dealing with live wires in emergency repair or restoration work. What's even better is its compatibility with the Halo SL headlamp, which offers 15 meters of illumination and runs for up to 121 hours on a single charge. Together, these devices provide a robust safety solution for anyone working in hazardous electrical environments. Sonetics loud construction sites are a common challenge, but Sonetics has an answer with their state-of-the-art headsets. Designed for communication in noisy environments, these headsets cap incoming sound at 82 decibels, while still allowing users to hear what's happening around them. Workers no longer need to remove their headphones to stay aware of their surroundings. The built-in Bluetooth lets users answer phone calls or listen to music without taking off the headset. And with a range of up to 488 meters, they offer flexibility and mobility that's crucial in fast-paced environments. The headsets can also adjust the volume of speech while minimizing background noise, giving users clear communication even in the loudest conditions. Trimble Ri, you may have seen professionals working with high-tech gadgets on tripods. Those are total stations, widely used in construction and surveying. But the Trimble Ri is not your typical total station. It's an automated robotic version that reduces operating time by half and requires only one operator. The precision offered by this tool is invaluable, with a single charge lasting up to 4.5 hours. It can operate in extreme temperatures, from scorching 50 degrees Celsius to freezing minus 20 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for nearly any environment. Plus, its relatively lightweight design of just 5.5 kilograms means it's easy to move around job sites, increasing efficiency. Trimble has always been a trusted name in the surveying world, and the Ri continues this legacy, providing accurate, dependable results in challenging conditions. GEDA AkkuLeiterLIFT solar panel installation is booming, especially in Europe, where Germany is leading the charge with strategies aimed at making home solar installation easier for regular homeowners. Enter the GEDA AkkuLeiterLIFT, a hoist designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Capable of lifting up to 120 kilograms, this hoist is perfect for moving heavy solar panels or other bulky items. With an adjustable height of up to 10 meters and a lifting speed of 15 meters per minute, it ensures efficiency on the job. Powered by a 10 amp hour battery that fully charges in just 2 hours, this hoist is an eco-friendly solution for the modern worker. Its price of $6,100 may seem steep, but the time and energy it saves make it a worthy investment, especially for those dealing with frequent installations. ExoHeaver exoskeleton technology is gaining popularity, and the ExoHeaver series is at the forefront of this innovation. Designed for industries like mining and construction, the ExoHeaver exoskeleton can lift up to 60 kilograms, taking the strain off workers' bodies and significantly reducing the risk of injury. It's particularly useful in environments where traditional loaders can't fit, such as narrow mine shafts. The premium model, the ExoHeaver Enforcer, can lift up to 80 kilograms and features explosion-proof electric motors, making it ideal for use in hazardous environments. It even comes equipped with sensors that monitor workplace conditions, such as gas levels and temperature, ensuring maximum safety for the operator. This exoskeleton is also making waves outside of industrial settings, with the Rehab 2 version being used in physical therapy to help patients regain strength and mobility. ForgedAir Respirator ForgedAir made a name for itself during the pandemic by producing respirators, but it has since expanded its product line to cater to the construction and military sectors. The standout feature of these respirators is their advanced filter design, which boasts the largest surface area of any respirator on the market. This not only ensures better airflow for comfortable breathing, but also facilitates clearer communication, something that's often compromised when wearing standard respirators. These respirators can be fitted with filters for a range of of hazards, from metal dust to asbestos, and even viruses. The visor is fog-free and can be easily detached without removing the entire respirator, adding to its convenience. At just $59, the respirator and visor combo is an affordable yet effective piece of safety gear for construction workers, healthcare professionals, and military personnel alike. PEZZOL RAMBLER Fast. Who says work boots can't be stylish? Italian craftsmanship meets industrial durability in the PEZZOL RAMBLER Fast, a high-quality work boot that's as practical as it is good-looking. Crafted from premium calfskin leather and featuring a Gore-Tex membrane, these boots are designed to provide waterproof protection without sacrificing breathability. The RAMBLER Fast also includes a fiberglass toe cap for impact resistance, puncture protection, and a fuel-resistant sole, making it a reliable choice for those working in tough environments. And while most work boots may fail when exposed to extreme heat, these boots can withstand temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds. All of this comes at a reasonable price of around $270, making the RAMBLER Fast a solid investment for workers who need both protection and comfort on the job. Makita PDC-01 Backpack Battery System. As battery-powered tools become the norm on construction sites, Makita has stepped up with their PDC-01 and PDC-1200 backpack battery systems, designed to keep your tools running for hours. The PDC-01 is compatible with Makita's 18V and 36V LXT platform tools, providing a portable, high-capacity power source for just $507. But if you need even more power, the PDC-1200 is your go-to option. This model has a whopping 206 watt-hour capacity, enough to charge an iPhone nearly 1,500 times. Compatible with not just the LXT platform, but also the XGT and PDC platforms, this backpack system can keep your tools powered through long days on the job. At $1,070, it's a bit pricier, but it offers unmatched power and versatility, making it a must-have for any serious construction worker or contractor. Tradesman Pro Magnetic Wristband. Every construction worker knows the struggle of juggling tools, screws, and bolts while working on a project. Klein Tools solves this problem with the Tradesman Pro Magnetic Wristband. Equipped with powerful rare earth magnets, this wristband ensures that bolts, nuts, and screws stay securely in place, freeing up your hands for more important tasks. The wristband weighs only 113 grams and can easily be adjusted with Velcro to fit snugly around your wrist, arm, or even belt. And at just $19, it's an affordable accessory that can make your day-to-day tasks much more efficient. For anyone who's ever dropped a screw or had to search for tools mid-job, this handy wristband is a game changer. DELMAG Frosch. Last but not least, we have the DELMAG Frosch F5 and F10, two iconic hammers from the last century that still pack a punch today. With their free piston combustion engines, these hammers have a simple, reliable mechanism that's been impressing users for decades. Their durability is legendary, with some models still in operation after 70 years. These hammers can handle a wide range of tasks, from soil compaction to tamping gravel, and while they may be considered vintage, their effectiveness is undeniable. DELMAG continues to innovate, offering models like the 500 kg FS5 and the 250 kg F10, ensuring that these hammers remain a staple in construction and industrial work.